After creating the SQL utilities for our data processing class, right now I'm going to create a class to do the business processing. Okay. Let's say, what would you like to do? You would like to process the data for the staff, let's say. Okay, for the staff. Normally you can create the DAO for each data access for each staff. Okay, for each of the users, sorry. In this case, let's say you have a user which is called the staff. Okay, so I'm gonna create a data access. I'm gonna do all the data access business for the staff. So this one is staff DAO. Okay, I'm gonna create a class which is called staff DAO or staff data access object. In this, I'm gonna do all the data processing for the staff. Okay, data processing for the staff. Okay, data processing for the staff. Okay, then inside here I'm gonna make a method like public result set. Okay, public result set load batch. Okay, load batches. This result set, want to do control space and choose Java.SQL result set because we're working with JDBC. Okay, JDBC. So we have load batches already. Load batches. We load all the batches. In order to load batch, we're just going to run a query. String comments equal to select everything from batch. Okay. Select everything from batch. Select everything from batch. We would like to execute this query on. We're going to use our SQL utility. SQL util equal to new SQL util. Okay. Then we're going to return SQL util dot execute the query. There. Done. Okay. This stuff. See? In order to do this, let's say if you would like to load the batch, you're just gonna create a method load batch. If you would like to insert a new batch, just create a query to insert a new batch. Let's just give an example. If you would like to, let's say public void add batch. Okay, let's say in order to add batch, you need to have the ID, then the names. Okay. Then you're gonna do string command equal to insert into batch values. The first field is for the ID. Second field is for the name, right? Okay. So in the first field here, we're going to add in fine. This one we're gonna add in this quote to separate them, and here is the ID. Let me just break it down. Okay. Then inside here we're gonna add this quote in, and this quote in, and the name. Okay. Then done. Actually, the ID we don't need to have the quote then. So you don't need this actually. You don't need this, and you don't need this. Okay, because the ID is integer, so we don't need the quote. This single quote is used for the name only, for the names only. Okay. So we have that command. And you would like to execute this command, just make use of the SQL util dot execute the command, then done. And we'll add the new batch for you. I'll add the new batch for you. And similarly, if you would like to do other business processing, just do it there. For the staff, just do it there. Okay, the staff to do it there. Let's say if you would like to, if the staff could add the student, then just do the method to add the student for that. If the staff could load the student, then just do a method to load students over that. If the staff could, let's say, search for students, just add a method to search student over that. So add all the functionalities for the staff. You have over there. Okay. All functionalities for staff. Okay. Done, right? Understand, right? So again, normally for each of the user, you need to provide a set of utilities for each user. And if they have common utilities or common features or common functions, you can have a super DAO there. Put all of them in a super DAO and extend them. Then we're done. In this case, I'm creating only one for staff, so I'm not putting anything into super DAO yet. Okay. So now we already finished the DAO. We're gonna create the Facade. Facade are the classes that are gonna be used outside. Okay, classes that you're gonna use outside. And normally I'm gonna use Java class staff Facade as well. Okay, staff Facade. For each of the user, let's say you have admin Facade. Staff, you have staff Facade. Students, user, you have student Facade, so on and so forth. Okay. Facade is to include the method they would like to expose outside. And this one gonna use staff down equal to new staff down. Okay. Staff down. Okay. Then I'm gonna create the first method is that it is going to be able to, let's say, public void add batch with int id string name. Then you're gonna make use of, just simply make use of sd.add batch id and name. You may do some pre-business processing here if needed, but then in this case, just recall whatever you have done inside the DAO. Okay, and I would like to do another method which is public list. Okay, list of batch. This time I'm going to use list of batch to expose it outside as a list of batch, not the result set anymore. Because exposing it outside already, so not going to work with result set anymore. I want to convert into list. Still, it is load batches. Okay. Then you're going to use the result set rs equal to stop.load batches, and then we need to convert rs into list. So you're gonna make list batches equal to new array list. We're gonna use array list then. Okay. Then var rs dot. Okay. Var rs dot. Next, we look through all of the records over there. This one we're gonna click on surround the statement with try catch. Okay, so string now int id equal to rs dot get int from the batch id column. String name equal to rs dot get string from the batch name column. And we have the ID and the name from the result set already. You create batch b equal to new batch with the ID and name. Then we have the batch already. Add that batch to list of batches. So batches dot add b done. Okay. So we have our first sheet done already. Then finally we're gonna return batches. Finally, we're gonna return batches. We'll return batches. So we have our code for the start Facade. That's gonna do all the functionalities for the start. Okay. Normally, it's gonna make use of your DAO. Okay. Some of the method is gonna just simply make use of the DAO completely some of the methods you may customize the DAO method for your own needs. Okay, and you expose it outside. For this one, you can hide your down code. Okay, you hide the down code. What is the Facade again? The Facade is a class that provides functionality directly for the users of the API. Okay, the users of the API. They use those methods. Okay. So we finish all the layers, the entity to represent the data, the DAO to do data access, and the Facade to expose the methods outside. Okay. Now I'm gonna pause this one right now. Next video I'm gonna do the testing for this.